I want to introduce you to a really savvy and smart publicity method that you can use on day one of your business for free, even if you're starting out and even if you think you're uninteresting or whatever. And it's a way to get celebrities and known authorities in your industries to give you publicity to promote you.
This video is brought to you by Oppie Pies Academy.
And it's something I learned from Bert Martinez of bertmartinez.com, who is a veteran of the publicity world. And I've learned a lot from him over the years. And he's actually been kind of my mentor in the publicity world when I was starting out. And this method is something that he came up with. And he noticed that all the biggest celebrities today, Oprah, Jack Canfield, who is a business celebrity, and others, many of them built up their own celebrity status and credibility and authority by interviewing others on their show. They would get publicity and fame by association with the people that they invited on their shows. So what does that mean for you on day one? You can start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog. These days, YouTube and podcast shows are a little bit more popular to start. They're easier to grow. And you can begin inviting people onto your show to be as guests to promote whatever they're promoting. Whoever you want to network with, whoever you want to promote your business, you invite them on your show, because guess what they're going to do? As soon as the show is over and it's live, they're the ones who are built up in the show. They're promoted on this show, so they're going to have a lot of incentive to promote it on their social media, to their audiences, and they have large audiences, they have authority, and you'll be seen with them in the interview. So it's by association, you'll be getting some of their authority and traffic that they'll be incentivized to promote your business to their audience. So the way it works is essentially, all it is you start interviewing known people in your industry, and the more your shows grow, the bigger that your guests will become. Your show will be more attractive for people to come on your show because you're giving them free publicity. So there are a few main benefits from this. I'm going to note them as B1, B2, B3, and we'll quickly go over them. So, first benefit, you already understand, they'll be incentivized to promote your show. So they'll go the extra mile for you. You'll actually build a relationship with the people you interview. And if you interview many people over time, you're going to build up many amazing business relationships with some of the top people in your industry. Guess what it does? It positions you as also one of the top people in your industry because you're so well networked with them. Everybody else wants to network with you because through you, they can get access to everybody else. You're seen as the authority. And lastly, you get to pick the brains of some of the top people in your industry. This would, without interviewing them on your show, would either be nearly impossible or very expensive, or they just wouldn't have time for it. But because you're promoting them on your show, you're creating the situation of reverse publicity, whereby giving them publicity, you're getting publicity for yourself, double or triple back the effort that you put in. So that's the reverse publicity method. And from now on in this course, when we're going to talk about, hey, start your show, do your YouTube, whatever, anything you build up, even as simple as your Twitter account, guess what? You can use that for the reverse publicity method because you can start promoting others. They're going to want to retweet, reshare, and they'll appreciate. And that's the start of a wonderful potential business relationship that you should have with as many people as possible who are top people in your industry that will eventually build you up and position you as an amazing authority in your industry. And when you're seen as an authority in your industry, everybody else is going to want to network with you and interview you and listen to you.